Howdy Tigers, I'm Eunice Lee.
And I'm Jacob Altman.
And this is
KTGR.
This is KTGR.
This is KTGR.
This is KTGR.
This is KTGR.
This is KTGR.
This is KTGR.
Good afternoon, Tigers, and welcome to your one-stop shop for all school news.
Couple reminders to start off today's broadcast. First, remember to have your IDs on at all times and visible. Temporary IDs can be obtained in the mornings with Mrs. Kuna in the gym hallway. If you want to purchase a new ID, they are $5 in the front office. Additionally, make sure we're keeping hats and hoods off in the hallways. And finally, the rule we all should know about by now. Absolutely no phones or electronic devices that send out any signal. This includes personal laptops, AirPods, headphones, or any other similar devices.
Remember, Tigers, the last chance to get your textbook and calculators checked is December 1st, 2nd, or 5th. Show Ms. Kuna in the cafeteria before school or during lunchtime. If you don't get it checked, you won't be able to exempt.
Seniors, the form for FAFSA has been open since October 1st. Make sure to sign up at studentaid.gov. After you finish, show Mr. McGinnis that you have completed the FAFSA and applied for one or more colleges and receive a snack or drink. He is in room 1115 and in the counselor's office. You can get a Sprite, Dr. Pepper, root beer, Capri Suns, Takis, Frito-Lay chips, or Oreos. Remember to fill out the FAFSA form.
As the end of the first semester is coming up, you know what time it is. The dreaded finals are coming up, faster than you think. And here are some important facts to keep in mind. Yes, absences do count against you. Excused absences, which are absences with a note from a parent or etc., and unexcused absences both count, but medical, which are excused by a doctor's note, do not count against you. For the following grades, here's the policy. If you have an A in the class, you can have 5 absences. If you have a B, you can have 4 absences, and if you have a C or below, you cannot exempt. Seniors, you can exempt all classes both semesters. Juniors, you can exempt up to 3 classes each semester. Sophomores and freshmen, you can exempt up to 2 classes, but not the same ones, both semesters. Keep this in mind, and good luck, Tigers.
As many of you know, the construction of our brand new science wing is well underway. We're thrilled about the improvements coming to our campus, but we want to make sure everyone stays safe and helps things run smoothly. If you're in the vicinity of the construction zone near the cafeteria, please be extra cautious. Stay on the designated sidewalks to avoid any hazards, such as stray nails or equipment. It's also important that we respect the hard-working construction crews by giving them space to work efficiently. Thanks for your cooperation and for helping keep our campus safe while we build a better future.
Consol has a food pantry which provides food for those in need. Here's an informational video.
Welcome to the AMCHS Food Pantry in room 1800. We're here to help students and staff facing food insecurity. Our pantry is open every Friday from 7:45 to 8:05 a.m. and 4 o'clock to 4:30 p.m. When you check in, you can shop for a variety of food items, including pantry staples, snacks, and even toiletries. Cameron loves cream of celery. While we can't accept direct food donations, we do need monetary support to keep the pantry running.
Food pantry.
To visit, just sign in to ClassLink, click the AMCHS Food Pantry button, and fill out a quick Google form. You can also pick up forms from counselors, the front office, or room 1291. The AMCHS Food Pantry is here for you free and confidential. We've got you covered.
Our very own Tiger Theater is hosting a variety show. Come watch it at the A&M Consolidated Auditorium on December 5th at 7 p.m. Tickets are sold $10 for free entry if you bring a toy. All proceeds go to charity, Scotty's House, and all toys go to the Stuco Drive.
And lastly, Friday, December 12th is our 2nd annual Winter Film Festival, better known as Winterfest. It is an exciting event where students come together to watch a selection of quality student-led short films from the past semester.
Entry is free and fun is everlasting. Make sure to mark your calendars for December 12th for this newly iconic school event. The auditorium doors open at 6:30 p.m. and it will start at 7 p.m. We hope to see you there.
Yo, is that the new Winterfest trailer?
Yeah, it just came out.
I've watched that like 6 or 7 times already. It's so good.
When the world needed films the most.
Control, this is Agent Parkey. I'm in position.
Winterfest arrived.
No way.
I know, right? It's actually peak.
From the twisted minds of AMCHS AVP and CSHS AVP comes Winterfest.
Whoa, is this the Winterfest trailer?
Yeah.
What kind of films are in it?
Action, comedy, music, and romance.
Yo, is that Winterfest?
Yeah.
When is it?
On December 12th,
Yo, is that Winterfest?
Yeah.
How much does it cost?
It's free.
see the best of the best from both high schools. Find your seat for music videos, short films, and more. With so much to offer, there's only one thing left to ask.
It's over.
It's Corbin time.
Where will you be on December 12th? Winterfest.
Winterfest, December 12th. It's free.
That's all for today, Tigers. Until next time, I'm Eunice Lee.
And I'm Jacob Altman.
And this is
KTGR.
This is KTGR.
This is KTGR.
This is KTGR.
This is KTGR.
This is KTGR.
This is KTGR.